hand. I can crank this by hand. Or I can find this, which has a square, attach it here, maybe. And every time I push that back, it tells me the next section is clear for winding on. Now, I haven't gone around this beam yet, and I'm either gonna get paper or cardboard, because again, like, we wanna make sure if this has to wind on is in as equal tension as possible to solve problems down the road. So I'm gonna by hand insert that. Julia, can you pull a little harder?
Yep.
And my warp is only 2 yards long, right? Because I just did a demo, but you guys are gonna have a little longer, so it'll be easier for you to tie this on like this. But let me see if I can get it to stay enough to just show you how that tension works. Because if you have someone standing next to you, having them hold it can be really helpful. But if you don't, this is your strategy. Let's see if I can use this. It doesn't like... And then it will wind and the cross will get to the rattle and then you'll clear it again. This isn't hard to clear and my tension's already a little bit loose, so Julia's gonna have to come back because my warp is so short. And then you can click, click, click until you get to that next section. And again, you guys are gonna have a longer warp. One of the strategies I use is to do this thing called yanking the reins, where you lax it and then you pull it, and it somehow magically gets rid of all your tension issues. Sometimes I still have the sticks in at this point. Maybe that's even sometimes better because then these sticks aren't going everywhere. Julia, I'm at the final part.
All right.
So then you can push that forward. This handle really doesn't like me. And actually, we're at the point, I actually probably even went too far. So this is the brake release. I want to give that a little bit more length. So here I want my cross to hang out right about the length, the height of my head, of my heddles, the eye of my heddles. And I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to start threading these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be the next part of the video and the tutorial. Any questions about what we did so far?